Hey, it's Adil Chowdhury here.
Hey, it's Georgia.
I'm about to reveal incredible new, breathtaking technology that'll explode your online sales by up to 451%. Nothing like this exists nor has ever been seen before.
Nothing at all?
Nothing. It's truly a world's first exclusive. Are you ready?
Tell us already.
Introducing eCoverly. eCoverly is the world's first animated e-cover creator that creates these hypnotic animated e-covers in 60 seconds or less.
It's true. Animated e-covers are the latest hot new trend and evolution, especially in a world now where things are all 3D.
In 1839 came the first black and white photo. In 1907 came the color photo. And now, over 110 years later, we have the world's first animated covers that you can create without any special equipment or software.
These are the future. And anybody that sees these will be blown away and rush to give you money.
You don't need Photoshop, you don't need to learn animation, and you don't need to spend money on freelance designers ever again.
With eCoverly, you can create never seen before animated e-covers in seconds. And finally, get the attention and sales your digital products deserve.
It takes just 3 simple steps to create mind-blowing covers. Step number 1, go ahead and select your template. Pick from hundreds of proven animated styles and layouts, then choose a model to match the type of product that you're selling.
Step 2, customize it. You can add images from the royalty-free library, edit fonts, customize text, add your name, and so much more.
Step 3, publish it. Just tap a button to instantly publish or download your animated e-cover and get ready to amaze your audience and explode your sales. Look at how amazing and beautiful the results are. Oh, and by the way, you'll be able to listen to some awesome music inside our unique, revolutionary user interface as you design and dance.
The world's best-selling authors agree. Animated covers are the next big thing and revolution that will help your product jump off the screen and sell. Everyone's going nuts for animated e-covers, including Stephen King and many more New York Times best-sellers. Why? Because they sell like crazy. And it's not just for books.
You can use eCoverly to create attention-getting e-covers and boost your sales for all your digital products, including ebooks, reports, manuals, courses, software, memberships, cheat sheets, templates, checklists, printables, coaching programs, and a lot more. These are perfect for you to use inside of your funnels, on your landing pages, your websites, your emails, your blogs, your sales pages, social media, and more.
Here's the secret that makes it work so well. We've discovered a winning formula for animated e-covers, and it's something that designers and animators won't tell you.
The secret is finding the perfect amount of animation, not too much, not too little, and we've cracked the formula, and our animated templates hit that right sweet spot that grab eyeballs, bring you more sales, and leave your competitors in the dust. So here's what you're getting inside eCoverly. 40 animated 3D eCover templates ready to customize with your own text, your name, images, logos, and more.
250 2D eCover templates that are proven to sell like crazy and based on what's working today.
9 eCover model styles, perfect for all your digital products, including books, boxes, membership cards, CDs and DVDs, flyers and magazines, big screens and iMacs, laptops, mobiles, tablets.
With eCoverly, designing covers is so easy. Even a 5-year-old could do it. Thanks to our new drag and drop flow technology, you can design professional covers without any skills or experience. You'll be able to move objects and drop them anywhere on the canvas, resize images, recolor images, add attention-grabbing image effects and filters like grayscale, vignette, grunge, and more. Change the transparency, brightness, contrast, and hue. Add text anywhere and edit on the fly.
You can even customize your eCovers with our huge image library packed with royalty-free images, icons, and graphics ready to use out of the box, saving you thousands of dollars in stock photo fees.
You can even upload and save your own images and edit them using our easy image editor.
And forget blurry eCovers that make you look unprofessional. eCoverly creates true HD eCovers in full 300 dpi so that you can scale them to any size without them looking blurry.
According to the latest research, the human attention span has decreased in just 15 years. In 2000, it was 12 seconds. And now, 15 years later, it's shrunk significantly to 8.25 seconds.
In fact, 8.25 seconds is lower than that of a goldfish, which are able to focus on tasks for 9 seconds. So that's why I created eCoverly, as a way to steal that attention back and grab the interest of your buyers and hypnotize them so that you get more sales and downloads.
If you haven't noticed, the world is going animated. Look around you. Do you see it? Animation is the future of marketing. It's why YouTube is the #1 website in the world, and why animated GIFs are built into every single phone sold today. Even those old-fashioned billboards on the side of the road are now fully animated. Why? Because moving objects get our attention.
With eCoverly, you can create animated eCovers that set you apart and make you more sales than ever before. You'll be able to stand out from the crowded marketplace, boost sales up to 451%, stop social scrollers in the newsfeed, get more clicks, create viral shares and free traffic, impress friends and family, and bring your products to life and have fun.
Did you know 1 in 5 authors are now using animated eCovers for their books? But there's a problem.
Creating high quality animated covers isn't easy, as it requires 2 parts. There's the design part, and then there's the animation part. And chances are that you're not a designer, so you'd outsource the design to a graphic artist, and that'll cost you around $300, and then you'd wait a whole week until they're done. Then you'd have to hire a technical animator at $150 an hour to animate the design. So 2 weeks and $700 later, you'd have your first animated eCover. It's not cheap, right?
Or you could do it yourself by learning how to master Photoshop, Adobe After Effects, and other complicated tools by sitting through hours of video training. But why make life so hard?
So we went ahead and spent $50,000 designing all of these e-covers for you so that you don't have to.
eCoverly gives you everything you need to create stunning animated e-covers in just 60 seconds. No special skills needed.
With eCoverly, you don't have to spend weeks learning Photoshop, pay for templates that everybody else is using, pay for designers to create e-covers, learn complex animation tools, stay up late working on your e-covers. Neither will you lose sales because of a badly designed cover. Instead, you just click a few buttons and you've got yourself a stunning animated cover in under a minute.
You'll also be able to create hundreds of traditional 2D style covers too. eCoverly will give you a huge unfair advantage over all of your competitors who are using old style covers to sell their products online.
Instantly create hypnotizing e-covers that will leave your competitors green with envy and your customers dazzled and excited. There's no other tool like this on the market today, so don't wait. Go ahead right now and click that button below to secure your copy of eCoverly now at the special discounted launch price.
And for a limited time only, we'll also throw in some incredible bonuses, including a free agency website and commercial rights that allow you to start designing animated covers for your clients and get paid big fees doing so.
Right now, you can get eCoverly for a super low one-time only fee. After that, eCoverly will only be available on a monthly subscription for at least $99, as we are going to be adding a lot more features over time. So lock in your license right now to start making epic animated e-covers that blow your competitors out of the water and boost your sales to 451% or more. Your order is protected by my special 100% love it or pay nothing guarantee. Try for 30 days and then only decide if this is right for you. You can even keep all the covers that you create, and I'll still give you a full refund if you don't absolutely love eCoverly.
This truly is the best thing since the traditional style 2D covers that we all know and like.
The 3D animated covers truly are the future and the next generation of e-covers. So order eCoverly right now to give yourself and your clients a huge advantage out of all of the competition out there today. You're going to love using it and all the attention, the clicks and sales that this is going to bring your digital products starting tonight.
People are going to absolutely freak out when they see your next e-cover online.
Click the order button right now to secure this limited time special low one-time price deal. So go ahead, click that button and I'll see you on the other side.